How to clear all cache and junk files from your Windows. What is up everyone? Welcome to the video. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you can easily clear out all of the cache files and junk files from your Windows. But before getting started, make sure to like the video down below and subscribe to the channel. Now let's jump right in. The very first thing that you need to do is go ahead and open up your settings. You can just right click on the Windows icon to open up your settings. And once you land on your settings page, on the left navigation bar, you'll find different options. You just want to head over to System right below your home icon. Then from here, you just want to head over to Storage. And once you get on the storage, it will start loading up all of your files like your installed apps, music, temporary files, and other files. So the first thing that you want to do is go ahead and open up the temporary files. Just tap on it. This includes all of the cache files and all of the junk files that you don't require anymore. So you can just select them like this and then go ahead and click on remove files. And then as you can see, these files will be permanently deleted. So go ahead and tap on continue. Wait for this to complete, and once that is done, you just want to head back to your storage, and then here you will find something called Storage Sense. It will automatically free up space, delete temporary files, and manage locally available cloud content. Make sure that this toggle is turned on, and your computer will clear out these files time to time automatically. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I'll see you on the next one.